Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to put your Fire TV Cube remote into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So if you want to go ahead and pair it back up to your Fire TV or maybe a different device, this is very easy. So go to the device you want to pair to and hold down the home button right here and select this. So if you hold this down, after about 10 to 15 seconds, an orange light in the upper right side of the remote will start blinking. So we should see it right now, and this is an indication it's trying to connect and pair with other devices. So it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode right now, and it should connect back up to the Fire Stick or the Fire TV or even your Fire Cube. Now if this isn't working, you could repeat the process, or you could try resetting your remote by holding down the back button, the menu button right here, and then the left button, and just hold this down for about 15 seconds and you'll notice your remote is going to be disconnected from the previous device, and then you can reconnect it to a new device. So once we have it connected, we might not have all the features available to us. So like the Alexa voice button right here might not be working. So what we want to do is still go on over to the settings section and then go on down and go to controllers and Bluetooth devices, and then go to Amazon Fire TV remotes right here. So if I press the Alexa button right now, it'll say I still need to pair it. So we have to go to this section if we reset our remote. Then we can go down to Add New Remote, and then hold down the home button under this section and bring up the blinking orange light on your remote. And your Fire TV remote should be on this screen right here. So I can see mine's right here. My orange light is blinking. Now all I have to do is press the select button to select the remote, and it is now paired. So if I press the Alexa button now, it's working. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.